Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 accessories are leaked. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is almost out and we already know what we are going to get in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Meanwhile, Samsung is working on parts maker to speed up the process for the production of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung planned to release Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models, and Galaxy Buds. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will get an updated display, but don't expect too crazy, still better than previous generation, and covers for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are out. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which one you are going to get this year, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Z Flip 4. ICU Invest on Twitter shared a picture of upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 cover, where we see the design exactly like the previous generation. Same camera lens cut out on a case. Now what more interesting is, he shared a both phones picture side by side where we see no difference. Obviously there is some sort of aspect ratio change in the display where we cannot see while having these cases, and it is confirmed that we are going to get the same camera housing at the back just with individual camera lenses. According to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung announced to parts maker to restore the reduced order volume when the new foldable smartphone are released in the second half of the year. This means Samsung slowed down the production and focuses more on the Z Fold 4 launch, or we should say the August event. As we all know, Samsung's production gets down this year, and this is the reason behind it. As you already know, ICU Invest shared information about the Z Fold 4 crease, where he says, slightly better but noticeable and more smoother, which is good for S Pen users. Samsung is putting S22 cameras on the Z Fold 4, not S22 Ultra. 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, best so far, even better than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The under display camera is also here, where we may see a better quality but no news regarding it, and new UTG is also here, ultra thin glass. Overall, a good deal for this year foldable device from Samsung. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which one you are going to get this year, Z Fold 4 or Flip 4. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.